they came to us and said, you guys need to go out and look at what is currently available and identify a system that's going to improve our wheel travel, improve our reliability, and improve our mobility. We went out and did some research and found that the only system that was commercially available was Tatra.
This type of truck uses the backbone tube, the twin-disc automatic transmission, and for this particular truck we use a water-cooled engine with 400 kilowatt power output, which is slightly above 530 horsepower. Every single wheel can negotiate the obstacle independently, and this means that the superstructure or the cabin remains stable almost all the time. The next important feature of this concept is that torsion is actually held completely by the backbone tube, so there is no twist for the frame. All the driveline is covered and protected, and it is hidden, I would say, in the backbone tube, so no damage can occur because the backbone tube has the wall is 8.5 millimeters thick, so you cannot damage it.
Challenges was that we also had to have an automatic transmission, and it needed to be integrated into this backbone tube structure. That's where twin disc came along. It has superior mobility. It's a very capable truck. We are an independent tester. We have no, formal relationships with any manufacturer. Obviously, if the truck rides well, it's not beating the operator, it's not beating the crew, and it's not beating itself. And what that means is the operating cost goes down. So that's what we were after with this particular system.